The food on ISS has evolved over time. When I flew my first long-duration mission, we were exposed to the full menu of offerings at NASA, and we literally tasted everything and we rated it 1 to 10. Today, we taste the menu, but it's only to give us an idea of what we like and what we don't like.
This module is where we eat our meals together. The food is warmed in here. You can either get hot water or ambient water. So if you want to cool down your drinks, you get the ambient water and then put it in the fridge for a while.
On cruise that I've been on, the mealtime was very important. It helps you unwind, it helps you bond as a crew, it gives you something in common to help you, grow together and just swap stories. I mean, everybody's got an interesting story to tell. So.